Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to day 16 of Follow a Sketch of February. We have this very lovely sketch right here. It is a page map sketch, so it looks like it's a half by half on the vertical, or not vertical, on the horizontal. It has 3 photos. I'm gonna have 2, but I'm gonna use something over here, I don't know what, to make the third photo. But we've got some, looks like washi in the middle. We've got some flowers coming up, so this is going to be really fun. I'm going to do a Halloween layout. Also, page kit 50. Basically, I'm just calling my layouts page kits, but it's any time, and actually that's not true. It's anytime I use stash items, so not anything that's like a big, massive collection. It's these ones that have been used that I'm trying to work through. I am also playing along with Ginger Bush's Dining Around the World, and today I am doing the South Korea recipe, which is a Halloween layout, monsters, shredded paper, and the extra is watercolor in red, which is going to be a hard one for me because there's no red in any of this, but I'm going to try to make that work. So I've got my 2 photos. This is when we went to South Dakota, and we seen this really cool place. Like, they had just a whole bunch of Halloween decorations. It was October, so it was just a really cool little place. And you know, my husband went in to see what was in the, it was like a little Grateful Dead shop. So but I was looking at the, and we needed to smoke because rental car, and I smoke, and so does he. So I was smoking, but they had some skeletons over here playing poker, and then right in this area, this little van has skeletons driving it. It was just a really cool little Halloween like shop scene area place. So there was like a little skeleton there. There was like nothing else out here. It was so funny. I am going to mat the photos, and these 2 pieces of Craft-A-Clock cardstock from their Gray Basics, this very old Stampin' Up! Collection. And then this is just some llama Christmas paper, but I'm using it for the white. So we're going to mat them 3 times because I'm focusing on using those 6x6 paper pads up. I've brought in the Vicky Bouton Cherry Tart watercolor for the watercolor. Shredded paper, I got my Stampin' Up! Fringe scissors, so we're going to do some of that. And then I have to get monsters, so I do have the monsters in here with my little epoxy pieces. So we've got like the little scary guy, cupcake, a bat cupcake, but we've got the little monster there. Let's see what else. I guess I don't really have, what is this? That's going to be a skull. So I am thinking that we will use because it's monsters, I think we're going to go with, here we go. We'll do those 3 little monsters. So let's just get those put out. So we've got monsters. And then again, my earrings that were supposed to be a gift at a giveaway, but they didn't come in time. So I just now use them. There will be monsters in here as well. Like for real monster right here. And all I do, you guys, is just, they're just, you know, twist it off, and then I throw that piece away. Do we have any that are just, yeah, there you go. So let's just use all 3 of these. And the monsters have definitely been taken care of. Okay, push those over. This is a scrap room kit, so we have just a few things left. I've got a few die cuts and some fussy cut pieces, some peach fizz from Spiegelbaum Scrap Sequins, a few of the stickers left on the sticker sheet, so hopefully we can just get these all used up. We do have strips, and I may even use the little ghosties as that metal strip. We'll see. What do we have? Do we have anything that's going to be a 12 by 12? No, we don't. That is just fabulous on all levels of fabulous. So what are we going to do? And how? Oh, wait. What? Yeah, okay. So obviously we're going to use this last piece of cardstock as our background. And then we have these two pieces. Oh, that's a sad, sad, scared situation. I like that one. I'm going to use that for the top. We're going to use the black as the bottom. I'm going to separate it with the white ghosties. I do have these left. They're really cute. It's going to depend on if I have embellishments left on if I recycle these or not, right? So we're going to put these to the side for now. And I need to figure out this area right here. I could actually do, I don't know. I think if we do this and then I could cut, see, no, it's not 12 by 12 though. That's the problem, but that will be there. So I need Alright, so I'm going to cut a 4 by 13 out of this to put there, and then I'm going to do a fringe along there. So let me figure that out, what I want to do. Let me get this cut down, kind of adhered on photos, matted and such, and then I can see how I want to use these to make some more to the page. So give me a minute. I'll be right back. Alright, so somewhere I've messed up my camera. Sorry. I need a new stand. So if anybody has recommendations for a camera stand, let me know. Anyway, this is what I've got. So far we're going to build a cluster over here. And let's see. I think we can come in with these as a title and see. Where do we want to put it though? I think we're going to go just like right here. And we're going to call this So Rob. Using up some stash as well. I have no idea where I even got these from. Which seems to be the theme for a lot of things that I've been using lately, right? Okay, so we've got our title on. And I've got these two little things on. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I think we'll take this. And I'm going to color in. Well, that's not going to absorb in there, is it? So that was... Ooh, let's do that. I'm going to end up with red fingers, but... kind of get this on here. And it's making a cool little design on the sticker. And I used red watercolor. And I've got it on my finger. Alright, that actually takes care of the red watercolor. Now whether it'll count, I don't know. I'm okay with that. Alright, so we've got that on there. Let's go ahead and build up this little cluster down here. We'll pop some of this stuff up and see if we can make a go of what we got going on here, right? So we'll just kind of put him there. And let's put this guy here. And that was way off kilter, but we're gonna have to go with it. Put this little guy over there. The little kitty. I think he's gonna need 2. And put this little kitty next to that little kitty. What? And let's use the little ghosty. Put him right there. Let's throw all that away. So, as you can see, we got some fun things going on. Let's put this little guy up there. Then we'll put another one underneath him. Little spiders. That's not where I wanted him to go. I want him to go like they're crawling, right? So they're just kind of like hanging out on the layout, making a little fun, right? Because there's spiders in the background there, so we're just going to use all of these up. I just don't want them to all go the same way. And let's use this guy up. Then we'll get this little star on here to bring some color up to that white up there. All right, the only other thing that we need to get on here is all of this fun stuff. So let's put this little monster up here. This is going to bring a lot of pop to the layout, right? And let's go ahead. I want to get that guy right there. I know he's kind of covering the cat, but we'll just move it down a little bit. And then we're going to put the bat up there at the other cluster. Going to put him right there. And then we're just going to add these little monsters on. And we have successfully taken care of. I usually just tuck it under so you can't tell that it was got a loop on it because it's metal, and I can't cut that off. So get this guy over here. And then where are we going to put this guy to cover up the fact that he is right like that? So we'll just stick some glue down there because, all right. That, I think, is going to do it for today's layout. So actually, I'm really excited with that. I do still have some embellishments left, so I'm going to hold on to this collection and maybe be able to pair it with something, at least get one more layout completed. So don't forget to check everybody else out that is playing along with Follow a Sketch February and with Ginger Bushes Dining Around the World. I am having so much fun doing both of them, so I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.